Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file a flight plan on Vatsim. First, understand that a flight plan is crucial for virtual air traffic control to manage your flight effectively. It provides essential information about your intentions. To start, open your preferred pilot client, such as vPilot or xPilot, and locate the flight plan submission section. Alternatively, you can often find a web-based form on the Vatsim network's official website. This is your initial step towards a successful virtual flight. Next, focus on the core details. You will need to input your aircraft type, for example, a Boeing 737, along with your unique call sign. Cruising speed is typically entered as a true airspeed in knots. Crucially, provide the 4-letter ICAO codes for both your departure and destination airports. Then specify your planned cruising altitude, usually in thousands of feet, and your estimated total time en route, often in hours and minutes. Now let's look at some advanced options. The remarks section is where you can add important information, such as requesting flight following or specific equipment codes like PBN/A1. You must also accurately state your fuel endurance, typically in hours and minutes, ensuring you have sufficient fuel for your planned flight plus reserves. Finally, always include an alternate airport, providing a backup destination if your primary airport becomes unavailable. Before hitting submit, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you have entered. Accuracy is paramount for a smooth experience. It is recommended to submit your flight plan at least 15 minutes prior to your planned departure time, allowing air traffic control to prepare. Once submitted, keep an eye on its status. If any aspect of your flight changes, such as your cruising altitude or estimated time, remember to amend your flight plan promptly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.